Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to boost your Steam download speed. So you may be downloading a game and want to increase the speed. So I'm going to show you methods on how to boost your speed. So the first method is by going to Steam itself, open up Steam. Then once on Steam, go to the top left corner and click on the Steam icon. Then scroll down and click on Settings. On the Settings window, you'll see an option that says Downloads on the left side. Click on it. So once in the downloads page, what you'll find is an option that says download region on the top. And on the right, you'll see a drop down helping you choose a different download region. So sometimes Steam servers get busy because a lot of people download from the same download region. So by changing it, there's a chance that your speed might be boosted. So I'm going to choose a different download region here. And it will require us to restart Steam itself. So we will click on Restart Now and change our region. So that is one of the methods. Another method is also similar. We go to the top left corner and click on Steam, click on Settings, then we go to Downloads again. Now, once in Downloads, we need to make sure that the second option that says Limit Download Speed is disabled. If it is enabled, we need to make sure that it is disabled, because if it's enabled, that means our speed might be limited. So these are the two options we can do in Steam. Another option that we can do is go to Task Manager. So I'm going to search for Task Manager, open up Task Manager. And once you've opened it up, go to the top search bar and search for Steam. And as you can see, here is Steam. Right click on Steam and click on Go to Details. Then once on the Details window, go to the top steam.exe, right click on it again and click on Set Priority and set it as high. Windows will ask you if you want to change the priority. Yes, click on Change Priority. So by doing this, we're telling Windows that Steam requires the highest amount of resources, so enable that. So other than that, another thing we can do is here on Task Manager is to remove any processes or background processes which are using the internet. If we're using Firefox or Brave or any other browser, if we're streaming videos, we need to end those tasks. So those are the methods. Another method that we also need to make sure of is that it's best if we use an Ethernet cable rather than Wi-Fi, because an Ethernet cable is much faster. So these are the methods to boost your download speed on Steam. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.